What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Harvest Finance, which has pumped up just over 20% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $54 guys. So we're going to be going through where this crypto is heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? As you guys can see, over the last 7 days it has pumped up 50%, with a major pump here about a week ago, dropped back down, and right now pumping again. So is now the right time to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it time to buy it before it pumps up higher? That's what we're going to be going through, and of course its prediction in 2024. How high can this crypto go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Harvest Finance, which is here in purple at just under $40. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over $53, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line was going in a bullish direction, but it is slowly starting to flatten out. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall minimal drop in value from Harvest Finance, potentially dropping just below $50 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be heading to. Reason for that is it is overvalued right now, well, slightly overvalued due to the pump that took place earlier this morning. So it's only right that it has to take a little bit of a step back. Don't get me wrong, over the next couple of hours it's likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, but towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, it is likely to slowly start to drop down below $50 is what my expectations are at the moment. So guys, do expect an overall drop in value from the crypto. Again, it's not going to be a massive drop, it is going to be a minimal drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish here. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite positive, heading towards the bullish direction. However, the orange line is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic, and the blue line is slanting towards the positive direction. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Harvest Finance over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, it should be trading around just over $55 is what I'm expecting. So it's not going to be a major pump, because at the moment it's trading just below $54. So I'm expecting it to minimal increase in value. And again, as you guys can see, over the next week or even over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to drop down in value, potentially down to about $45 before it slowly starts to increase by mid to end of next week, heading over $55 is what I'm expecting. So overall, do expect quite of a wave, drop back down in value and then peak back up to over $55. So it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, they are looking way too steep to be realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value, but again, nothing too crazy, potentially heading to around $75 to $80, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Harvest Finance to be trading at by end of February, early March. So essentially by the end of Q1 of 2024, I'm expecting Harvest Finance to be heading to around just under $80 is what I'm expecting. But Before it does that, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, it is likely to go for a price correction down to about $40 and then slowly and steadily increase in value over the next 2 to 3 months, heading to around $80 is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, earlier this month we did just about hit the resistance target, which is $66, and we hit $65, which is pretty close, and we did resist and drop back down into the red zone. However, my expectations are next time we do hit the resistance target, we should break out and head into the green zone in January, February. Heading over to around $80 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by Q1, and potentially by mid next year we should be heading over the $100 mark is what my expectations are. But if there are any changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is hide the Fibonacci scale, and let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. We can see here the trading volume has gone up huge numbers, guys, nearly 1,000% up in the last 24 hours, making it $30 million in trading, which is again a huge increase. Again, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, as you guys can see here, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers. So it is getting a lot of attention, which also means it is also helping the value of Harvest Finance pump up as well. But I'm pretty sure the trading volume is likely to go up even higher over the next couple of hours as more and more people will start to trade the crypto. So this is my take and my prediction on Harvest Finance, guys. I'm pretty sure it should be able to hit the $100 mark by mid next year is what I'm expecting. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $100 mark? Is it in 2024, and if so, what month are you guys expecting it to hit that? And also, what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in next year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well. And that is pretty much it. If you guys like the video, like it, and also guys, I am trying to hit 100k subscribers, and at the end of the day it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.